Hello everyone, you are watching Learn Easy with us. We provide educational and training videos every day. To stay updated with our latest content, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below after watching the video. Without any delay, let's get started. Ready? Let's dive into today's topic.
Today's lesson, I'm going to show you a new tool for making a life of responding to and writing emails completely different. And by different, I mean a lot better, a lot faster, and hopefully more fun as well. This one is called ChatGPT Writer for Gmail. Now, we're going to start off by going to Google, go to the extension store, and type in ChatGPT Writer. We'll come down here, and you see here, GM Plus, OpenAI ChatGPT for email. Instead of remove from Chrome, you'll click add to Chrome. Once you click this, you'll have the option to come up to your extension portion here. And the good thing is, when you first start off with the Gmail extension, it actually gives you a crash course on how to use it, showing you exactly how to get it into your extension, all the way to writing your first email. Here we go. It's going to give us the steps. How do I compose an email using ChatGPT Writer for Gmail? First, I click on this logo of the extension to open Gmail. Next, I'm going to follow the steps. Compose. I'll click the ChatGPT for email icon. Once I click that icon, it opens up a box for me to make sure that I'm choosing the best type of response for me. Now, there's 52 fantastic prompts, and they're happy to tell you this right on this little help dialog box. I'm going to choose a thank you reply because right now there's someone who I'm extremely grateful for. Now, it says to brace yourself for the thrilling moment and hit generate email to get a masterpiece. I'm going to generate this email, and then I'm going to insert it, and we're going to expand this so we can see exactly what's been done. Now, when we check out the email, I can see here already at the bottom that it's giving me an option to add my contact information, my name, and anything else that I might feel that I'm the one who needs to add the details for. We've got dear recipient name. Here I can put in the information that I like, as mentioned. And then following, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to express my deepest gratitude and heartfelt thanks for your support and assistance. Your generosity, kindness, and willingness to lend a helping hand have made a significant impact on my life. /situation/project. Whichever I want to choose from, right? And I am truly grateful for your presence in my journey. It continues on, and this is actually full of gratitude and thanks. Personally, it would have been very difficult and time-consuming for me to write an email of this caliber with this level of thanks. Now, let's say, for now, I think it's enough, right? I don't know how much of this that I want to keep, but I do know that I wasn't really feeling it after it says, you are still by my side, so I'm gonna delete that. Check it out. I can edit the prompt, I can add to the prompt, or I could keep it the same and just fill in the slots that are waiting for me to add my information. So that's all for my first example of how to get through the tutorial of how to use ChatGPT Writer for Gmail. Now, what about if I'm just on my own and I want to draft an email? I'll click Compose. I'll click the ChatGPT for Gmail icon. I'll make sure to click Continue with Google so that it's logged in to my account. Next, I'm going to get the exact prompt that I'm looking for. The prompt that I'm going to choose here is Project Update. So I'm going to scroll forward and search for it here. Boom, Project Update. So something that you couldn't do in the actual example that they were giving you is add the context and add what the email is about. So I'll delete this here so you can see. Write an email about. This is where you put in what you want the actual email that you're drafting to be about. You've got the prompt, which is Project Update. And then I'm able to add the email context. The context. I no longer want to release the music we recorded. I want to record 2 more songs before we continue. I love everything. This is a good update. My producer needed to record more songs with me. That is what this email is about. Now I can add even more information. I can make it short. I can use different ChatGPT models such as ChatGPT 4 if I upgrade to do that. Or I can make the tone personable, natural, formal, engaging, or direct. I'm going to keep it personable because this is a personal relationship for me. I'm going to click Generate Email, and we'll see what it does this time. Here we go. Next, I'll click Insert Email, and I'll expand it so I can check for spelling errors or any other thing that I don't like and information I need to add. Here you see, Dear Recipient, I hope this email finds you well. I wanted to reach out and share a small update regarding the music project we have been working on together. First and foremost, I want to express my appreciation for the effort and dedication you have put into our recording so far. Your talent and professionalism have truly impressed me, and I'm very grateful for the progress we have made together. However, after careful consideration, I've decided to slightly alter our initial plan. Instead of immediately releasing the music we've already recorded, I believe it would be beneficial to add 2 more songs to the collection before we proceed further. This decision stems from my desire to create a more comprehensive and diverse body of work, which I believe will resonate better with our audience. Please understand, this does not diminish my enthusiasm for the existing tracks. On the contrary, I am still thoroughly enjoying everything we have created thus far. Your contributions have been exceptional, and I genuinely believe that our collaboration has immense potential. And then it goes on to continue, I hope you will do well with sharing my vision and on and so forth, and gives me the option to add my name at the very bottom to sign off on the sending receipt. As you can see from what I put in, I want to record more songs. Don't take this the wrong way, it's a good thing. Now, using ChatGPT Writer for Gmail, it's taken my lackluster response, which was, I want to record 2 more songs. This isn't a bad thing, this is good, and generated a profound, detailed, and gratitudeful response. I've given you 2 examples, one on the tips and how to get through the actual outlined orientation that you must go through in order to continue to use ChatGPT Writer for email. And in addition to that, I've given you an amazing example on how you can use the product update template, the context, and what the email is about, short, long, GPT 3.5 or GPT 4, to generate faster emails, direct emails, and save so much time on figuring out what to write. Maybe you're not comfortable expressing this much gratitude, but you feel it. Maybe you want to be more direct. Well, you know what? Using ChatGPT Writer for email, we've got all the tools necessary to create those email responses and make your day a lot easier, making your work-life balance a lot more balanced, and giving more time back to you, your life, your family, or whatever else you want to do with the time that you save.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion.